Good posture is important to your overall health, and it offers a variety of benefits including reduced back pain, increased energy, and greater confidence. It can help you avoid muscle tension, pain, fatigue, and many other ailments and medical conditions. However, many people tend to have bad posture, and this is caused by many different reasons, such as lack of exercise, working at a desk all day, bad sleeping posture, and also injuries. So today I'm going to give you 2 exercises that you can do right now to improve your posture immediately. Number 1 is a very simple exercise that you can do, and it is called the dead hang. Now the dead hang is a very simple exercise where all you need to do is just hang from a bar. The stretch that you get in your shoulders, your lats and your back can help alleviate the Quasimodo hunchback look that is developed from slouching all day when you're working at a computer for the majority of your day, which is a big part of a sedentary lifestyle. It also helps to decompress your spine, which is crucial for good posture. If your spine is compressed, then it can lead to long-term back pain or sciatica. So this is a very simple exercise that you can do whether it's before your workout or after your workout. Number 2, and this is a very common exercise that I do, which is called ring rows. Rows help to build your rear delts, which is often a neglected body part. This will also help to take the weight off of your posterior delt and your chest. So this will therefore pull your shoulders back, giving you more of a upright posture. Rows will also target your lats, your upper traps, your biceps and your core. And the best thing about the ring rows is it is very beginner friendly. The more of an inclined position you are in, the easier it is, and the more you walk down into a decline, the harder it gets. You can even perform this exercise on an elevated platform such as a box, just to make the exercise even harder. Or you can use a weighted vest, or you can use different variations such as a tucked lever row. So there's many different ways to challenge yourself with this exercise to build more muscle, more strength, and to improve your posture at the same time. Now doing these 2 exercises alone will help your posture, but it's also great to include mobility work, other stretches, and even yoga. All these 3 included with the exercises will help with your posture as well. So keep that in mind as well, guys. So I hope you guys found this video very useful. Make sure you please share the video as well with your friends and your family members, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.